Hello friends, today we will understand what are comparative questions and how to answer them efficiently. Comparative questions are the questions that require you to analyze characters or themes by exploring their similarities and differences. This is where mind mapping helps. It provides an outline for your answer and organize all the points running in your mind, making your final answer well structured. Let's get started. The first question is, compare the motivations of Chuck Hooper, who pushes himself to recover for his wife and job, and the Brambles, who hide their boxing profession for Harold. Which sacrifice do you find more profound, and why? The mind map compares various important points like external force, their motivation, their nature of sacrifice, their goals, and the overall outcome towards the end. Chuck fought a visible battle to claim his life, but the Brambles fought an invisible battle to herald a better life, even if it meant erasing their own. Giving up who you are for someone else, silently and forever, is a deeper kind of sacrifice. So, we can say that the Brambles' sacrifice is more profound. Now try to write an answer. Question 2. Private Quelch and the convict are both isolated from their communities, but for very different reasons. Compare the cause of their isolation and how the people around them respond to it. Which character, in your opinion, is more responsible for his own situation? Here, the mind map presents a strong contrast talking about their actions, society's response, their transformations, their final state, and finally the conclusion. Try expanding it into an answer. Question 3. Compare and contrast the nature of the transformation in Sudha Murty's grandmother and Chuck Hooper. How do the roles of Pack the helper, the granddaughter, Duke, differ? And what does this say about different kinds of support? The answer shows a complete comparison, their motivator, transformation, and end result, to help you write a structured answer. Hope this module will help you write comparative answers using mind maps. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting and useful videos.